Hello, Professor. This is our team project. My name is Lingyu. My student code is 612115506. My partner is.
瑞雪诗 612115511. And
The subject of our project is we are committed to creating a system to help user observe the physical condition and obtain some outside help during the PM 2.5 and COVID-19 situation. Our project is health check-in system. This system can provide daily PM 2.5 and COVID-19 data, can run a health check-in system, fill in the daily health status, view historical records, get live tips, and remote consultation. User can see the daily PM 2.5 and COVID-19 status and their own recent physical condition, and choose the mask to wear according to their daily tips. In the next part, my partner Ruixue will introduce the use case diagram and use case description and activity diagram.
okay, Professor. We are use case diagram have the whole system. The whole system we have the four the four actor is the user, doctor, and uh, database and PM 2.5 and the Corona database. This now I introduce the first is login and register system user case. Now you can see this one. And the next is checking system. And then is online consultation system and the tip system. Also have the well station system. And the last is user case of well history system. This is uh, this is our user case description. Yeah. So now is activity diagram. This is uh, yeah log and log in system, and also have a check-in system user case description and activity. This is check daily activity. This this is one is remote consultation system user case description and also this is activity of remote consultation system. The next one is TP user case description and also have the activity. This one is well station system user case description and the activity diagram of there. Now this one is a well history system user case and also have the activity well history system diagram. Okay. Okay.
Hello,
Now
Professor. In this part, I will introduce the class diagram and the sequence diagram for our project. This class diagram is for login and register system. We have two entities. One is an account and user. User according to register function to see the register UI to create the account. And after that, user can use login function to log to this whole system. And next is check-in system. We have two entities. calendar and user. User calling to use check-in function to request, and the calendar request data use two interface. And two interface can collect the data from two database and return to calendar, so user can check the result. And next is read status. After user checked in, user can write down the health status for today. So he can use read status function to write the data in the calendar. And then calendar will store the data to the database. And next is tips. We have one entity is user and another control is show tips and to interface and to database. And user calling to use the show tips function to request interface collection data from database and return to the user. And next is view history. We have two entities, user and calendar, and one control to interface to database. After user login, user can use view history function to check the status and check-in history and also PM 2.5 and provide 19 data for a week or a day or a month. And last is remote consultation. We have three entities, doctor, customer, and admin. And we can use the control remote consultation to connect boundary consultation UI to provide this function. And after connect customer and connect doctor, the consultation will start. And if customer want to end the consultation, customer can use end consultation function to finish the consultation. And the next part is sequence diagram. This one is for the registration. User send the message, send the command to the register class, and after that, after enter the information, register will verify the input data, and after that, we'll create the account for the user.